No, put your hand on that. Does he tickles you?
Look, so cute. He's so excited.
Hi.
What? What is that, Jacob? What is it? You see?
Let's see. Hey. Hi.
See him?
Yeah, I see him.
So cute, right?
Yeah. I want to put him on my bed.
You can't put him in your bed. He's going to crawl in your ears or in your mouth. Careful. Okay, good girl. You have to take him into bed with him. Jacob, he's going to be fast.
What?
He's just going to crawl all over your bed. He's going to be lost.
Yeah. Mommy.
Yes. I'm taking a video. Alright?
I think of a picture of my bed.
Yeah, well, this is not a picture. This is a video, like a movie.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
And it's, by the way, it's 10.
Hey, Mommy.
Well, it's 10:30 on a school night.
Hi. Hi. Hi.
What? What? What do you want to do with it? Where are you going? If you put him on the floor, that's it. He's gone.
No, 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 no.
Oh!
Hey, hey. Hey, hey, go.
Whoa. You're like the next bug catcher. Oh, uh-oh.
Hey.
All right.
Yeah,
Well,
buggy.
well, say bye. We have to, I don't know.
What?
All right.
No,
We'll see you later, little lizard. Okay.
Get him.
You got him. All right. Bye.